Welcome to Review Rumble. The best trainer bike stand is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any cyclist looking to maintain their fitness and performance indoors, especially during adverse weather conditions or when time is limited. This versatile tool transforms your regular bicycle into a stationary workout machine, allowing you to pedal through virtual routes, follow training programs, or simply get in a solid cardio session without leaving the comfort of your home. Investing in a quality trainer stand means you can continue to push your limits, track your progress, and stay race-ready year-round, making it an indispensable asset for serious athletes and casual riders alike. Number 5. DeskCycle Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. Maintain your fitness routine whether you're working, reading, gaming, or simply relaxing. This equipment is perfect for a convenient at-home workout. Experience a challenging workout with 8 resistance settings, providing up to 39 pounds of resistance. Its high-inertia flywheel ensures a smooth, realistic cycling sensation. Enjoy a seamless cycling experience thanks to its sturdy construction with sealed bearings and steel components. The silent magnetic resistance ensures it won't disturb your activities. Monitor your workout easily with the detachable LCD display. It tracks your rotations per minute, distance, calories burned, and time spent exercising. This versatile exercise bike adjusts from 9 to 10 inches tall. It can fit under desks as low as 27 inches, making it compatible with most workspaces. What we like. If you're looking for a way to stay active while working or relaxing, this is a fantastic option. Its adjustable height makes it compatible with most desks, and the quiet operation ensures you won't disturb anyone. Choose this if you want a seamless way to incorporate exercise into your daily routine without disruption. What people say. This product is, as everyone else says, shockingly well made. Despite the hundreds of reviews indicating its high quality, heft, smooth rotation, and absolute silence, I was skeptical and couldn't help but wonder if perhaps everyone just had lower expectations. Well, I can vouch, it is high quality, heavy without being forbiddingly so, and rotation is absolutely smooth and there is no noise at all. It is, again, as others have mentioned, painless to put together. I did it in about 10 minutes, and it only took that long because people kept stopping by my desk to ask WTF I was doing. At least in the new ones, there's a long cord and stand so that you can put the adapter on your desk and monitor your progress. Number 4. BikeHand Bike Repair Stand. This repair stand is crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, making it easy to carry. It's designed to be compact when folded, offering both convenience and lasting durability. Easily adjust the height from 1 to 1.5 meters with the quick-release skewers. You can also fine-tune the tilt and angle to find the perfect working position for any bike. The smart 360-degree rotatable head allows you to position your bike exactly where you need it. Its heavy-duty clamp can securely hold bikes up to 55 pounds at any angle. Keep your bolts and nuts organized with the included foldable magnetic tool plate. It attaches easily for quick setup and storage, making your repairs more efficient. With over 10 years on the market, this stand is proven for its reliability. We stand by its durability with a 5-year warranty and readily available replacement parts. What we like. For the home mechanic who values convenience and versatility, this repair stand is a top contender. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move, and a 360-degree rotatable head allows you to position your bike perfectly for any task. If you're someone who likes to tinker with your bike and needs a reliable, easy-to-use stand, this is the one for you. What people say. It is nicely made and very functional. It folds up easily and I hang it on a rafter hook in my barn. It is so handy when you need to adjust your derailleurs plus clean and lube your moving parts. Our bikes are not light and it holds them with no problem. The legs fold out with a collar that slides down the main tube. The clamp is a quick release, just like axle skewers. Adjust the tightness and lock it down. The top tube extends upward and again uses a quick release clamp. Adjustments are easy and secure. The arm at the top is a proper bike stand vise. The lever on the back engages or disengages the teeth which hold the arm from rotating. The clamp is easily adjustable and also a quick-release clamp style engagement. It's a proper bike repair tool. It came assembled. It folds up like a camera tripod and has a lot of similar features to a tripod. The quick-release cams are great. The stand is sturdy enough to hold my hybrid bike. Number 3. Sportneer Magnetic Bike Trainer Stand. Introducing the Sportneer Magnetic Bike Trainer, your ultimate solution for indoor cycling. It's designed for wide compatibility, fitting most road and mountain bikes with ease. Take command of your training with 6 adjustable resistance levels. Easily switch between them using the bar-mounted remote, simulating everything from flat roads to challenging climbs. Mounting and dismounting your bike is a breeze. The quick-release lever and included riser block ensure a fast, stable, and time-saving setup for your indoor rides. Experience a focused workout without the noise. Its magnetic design ensures a silent and smooth ride, so you can train anytime without disturbing anyone. Enjoy unparalleled stability thanks to its wide base, low center of gravity, and adjustable anti-slip feet. Train with confidence on any surface, knowing it's built for safety and balance. This trainer is designed to fit most bikes with 26 to 28 and 700C wheels. It comes with a quick-release skewer, and a through-axle adapter is available for even greater compatibility. What we like. If you're serious about indoor cycling training and want to simulate real road conditions, this trainer is an excellent choice. The 6 levels of magnetic resistance allow for progressive training, from flat roads to steep climbs. You should consider this if you want a stable, adaptable trainer that lets you precisely control your workout intensity. What people say. Construction is solid and gives it a really professional appearance. There is plenty of weight to ensure a stable platform. There are 6 settings for the magnetic resistance, and each setting produces a noticeable difference, whether up or down. The trainer fits my 700 by 25 wheels and tires perfectly. I am using smooth road tires, and there is no noise, only a slight, smooth vibration from the tire. Number 2. Indoor Magnetic Bike Trainer Stand. Don't let bad weather keep you from your workout. This indoor bike trainer allows you to ride your own bike from the comfort of your home, no matter the conditions outside. Built with a stable pyramid structure, it offers excellent stability and can support up to 330 pounds. It's designed to fit most bikes with wheel sizes from 26 to 29 inches, including 700C. Easily switch between 6 different resistance levels directly from your handlebars. This allows you to customize your workout intensity and speed on the fly. Experience a quiet ride with minimal noise. For the smoothest and quietest experience, we recommend using smooth tires, as knobby MTB tires may produce more sound. Setting up is a breeze, taking only a minute with the included quick-release skewer and front-wheel riser block. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport when not in use. What we like. When bad weather or busy schedules keep you from riding outdoors, this trainer offers a robust solution. Its strong, stable structure provides confidence during intense workouts, and the remote resistance control lets you adjust on the fly. If you need a reliable and easy-to-store trainer that can handle serious riding, this is a great pick. What people say. The resistance roller assembly is packaged separately within the box, perfectly shielded in thick styrofoam to avoid any damage in transit. The large handle used to engage and hold the bike in a stand is a welcome addition for my arthritic hands. The multiple resistance levels allow for varied workouts and it's easy to shift. The trainer is also very easy to set up. Number 1. DeskCycle Under Desk Elliptical Machine. Introducing the DeskCycle, the ultimate under-desk elliptical designed to enhance your workday. It's perfect for staying active while you focus on your tasks. Seamlessly integrate fitness into your routine. This machine helps you burn calories, increase energy, and reduce stress, all while you work. Boost your productivity and feel better throughout the day. Experience ultra-smooth workouts with its advanced magnetic resistance system. It's incredibly quiet, ensuring you won't disturb colleagues or family members around you. Monitor your activity with a large, easy-to-read LCD display. It tracks your revolutions, speed, time, and calories burned, helping you stay motivated. With 8 adjustable resistance levels, you can tailor your workout from gentle to challenging. It's ideal for seniors, physical therapy, or anyone looking to increase their activity. The extra long and wide pedals offer versatile foot placement. Adjust your stance to maximize up and down movement or achieve more horizontal strides for a customized elliptical experience. What we like. For those who want to add a low-impact exercise option to their daily routine without taking up much space, this underdesk elliptical is ideal. Its whisper-quiet operation and heavy-duty frame ensure a smooth, stable experience. If you're looking to boost energy and productivity while seated, this is a perfect fit for your home or office. What people say. It's very quiet and sturdy and well designed. The large size of the pedals allow me to adjust my seating position without having to move the machine. It's nice and quiet, and it's very easy to use. The varying degrees of resistance means there is a setting for pretty much anyone who uses it, and it's easy to change the resistance setting as needed. It caters for little feet and big feet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.